Welcome to Autel training video. In this video, we will instruct you on the procedures to perform TPMS relearn function using the Autel Maxi TPMS TS508. 3 relearn methods are used on modern vehicles. Relearn procedures vary by vehicles. When a vehicle model is selected, the detailed relearn procedures will display on the TS508. Read and follow the procedures to perform relearn. Please note, before relearn, you must make sure that all sensors are activated and functioning, and all tires are inflated to the standard pressure specified on the placard. Now, we will demonstrate OBD relearn in detail. OBD relearn is used to write the sensor ID to the ECU via OBD connection. Turn on your Autel Maxi TPMS TS508. Select Advanced Mode on the main menu and follow the on-screen instructions to select your vehicle make, model, year to finish vehicle selection. Select Position Relearn and follow the procedures below. Starting with the front left tire, use the TPMS tool to trigger each sensor in the following order: front left, front right, rear left, and spare tire, if equipped with TPMS sensor. Turn ignition to on position. Connect TPMS tool to OBD2 port and write sensors IDs with ignition still in the on position. Rescan each sensor. Switch off and then switch on the ignition. Test drive above 19 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour for at least 10 minutes. Verify the tire pressure monitor system works correctly. TPMS light remains off. The sensor IDs have been written to the ECU. Relearn is completed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions about our products, please visit our website or simply contact us.